Hi, I'm Carlin from Southern Cross University. Today I'm going to be showing you Blackboard Collaborate, the online platform where you'll access your lectures. Feel free to pause this video as we step through so you can follow along. I recommend that you step through this process well in advance of your first lecture, and remember that you'll need a headset with a microphone. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Southern Cross University homepage. Then click Current Students and select My SCU from the drop-down menu. Log in using your username and password. If this is your first time logging in, it's handy to bookmark the page and save your login details if you are using your own computer. In My SCU, you will see a section called Learning Sites. You will have one learning site for each unit you are studying. Select the unit that you need to attend the online lecture for. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will see many different sections of your learning site. I recommend getting familiar with each of these, but for right now, scroll and find Blackboard Collaborate. In some classes, the online lecture will be conducted live in Blackboard Collaborate, and they are listed here in scheduled sessions. If you cannot attend at this time, you will find the recordings under the Recordings tab. But I do encourage you to attend the lectures live because it gives you a great opportunity to interact with other students and your lecturers, and is also really handy when you're learning complex information. Select the online session you will attend. Here you will have the option to join room, but first you must click on Download the Blackboard Collaborate launcher. This will enable you to install the software. Each computer and internet connection will differ, so make sure you do this well in advance of your first online lecture. Now click Run the application. Now Blackboard Collaborate is installed, you can join room and access your very first online lecture. And if you have any technical difficulties, contact the service desk and they'll help you. And now we're in the online classroom, so let's take a look around. In the main section, you will see the slides your lecturer will upload. On the left-hand side, you have the Talk and Video button. Before you speak, click the hand icon and your lecturer will select you to talk. To talk, click on Talk, and the blue microphone icon will illuminate when you're finished. Click Talk again to turn off your microphone. And don't be nervous. If you don't want to talk or be on video, in the bottom corner is the chat box where you can make comments or ask questions. Your lecturer will monitor this and respond during the lecture. So now you've learnt how to use Blackboard Collaborate and are no doubt feeling more confident about online learning. Make sure you check out our other videos for more information and how-tos. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.